Philadelphia crew would like to be the first to welcome you to Charlotte. It's currently 9:27 in the morning. As a reminder, please stay seated with your seatbelt fastened until that seatbelt sign is off. We are at a full stop and at the gate. Keep the house clear of all items. Don't forget to check your seat back pockets and surrounding area to ensure you have all of your belongings. Check for your cell phones, tablets, chargers, headphones, cases, glasses. When you do open the overhead compartment, please be careful as items may have shifted in flight. You may now use your cell phone as you make our way to